Hello friends, you can see that there is an apple, and now I'm going to show you how to draw this apple in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. Just move in one side. At first, select line, draw a vertical line. Now select line, and from the midpoint draw a line and length will be 18. Enter. Now select line again and draw another line. It will be also 18. Now select these two lines and from the keyboard press J, enter. These two lines are joined together. Now select and click on offset and make the offset distance 23. Enter. Just in this side, click again, another in this side, enter. Now select circle, center radius circle, and draw one circle. The radius will be 28. Select another circle, the radius will be again 28. Enter. Circle again. Now radius will be 16. And last one, the radius will be 16 again. Now we need 10 radius circle, so select this one. Now click in this point, radius will be 70. Enter. Again select 10 radius circle, just click here, and radius will be 70. Enter. Now select this, click on trim, and okay, and just trim these portions, trim this. Okay, also trim this one, trim this portion, trim this portion, and trim this portion, trim this one also. Enter. Now select this, delete, and also select this and delete. Now select this and click fillet, select radius, and fillet radius will be 24. Enter. Now select this portion and this portion. Okay, now select arc, 3-point arc. So just click here, switch off ortho mode, and click here and just click here. Now select this, click on offset command, and distance will be 2. Enter. So once I click in this side and select in this side another one, enter. Now select the mid one and delete. Select line and join these 2 points, enter. Now select this portion, click on trim, and click this extra trim this extra portion, enter. Okay, now click on gradient and select red color, click inside, close, again click on gradient. Now select green, click here, close. Now our apple is complete. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, like the video, share with your friends, and if you have any question, just ask in the comment box. Thank you.